Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time on my channel, you're most definitely welcome. My name is Wambo Gitatui, and yeah, as you can see, I've done the base and the eyebrows. The remaining part is only the lipstick and the eyeshadow and all that stuff. So that means we are using a new palette today. Yeah, so I bought this palette the other day. I've been eyeing this palette for the past, I think, 2 months or so. It's a Kenyan owned brand, and yeah, it's so exciting. So this is the palette. It's called Daisy Eyeshadow Palette, and my god, minus exaggeration, minus overreaction, this palette is beautiful. Just have a look at this. That palette is bomb. Like, my god, this palette is so beautiful. I'm not exaggerating. I know I overreact all the time and all that stuff, but yo, this palette is dope. I've been looking for a palette with some nice green and purple and yellow, and I have it finally. Look at those yellows and those greens over here, and the purples, like this kind of purplish, and this other one over there, another one over here. My god, I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first things first, I'm gonna take Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade caramel, and I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids to prep my lids for eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender to blend out the concealer for the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna take the palette and take that shade Fighter, and I'm gonna pack it at the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye. Then we're gonna use the shade of God to blend out the edges of the initial shade that I had applied. Then take the shade Honor, and I'm also going to be using it to blend out the eyelid to create a nice gradient look. These shades are so pigmented, they're so beautiful. Like, just a simple swatch is enough, like, for real. I'm in love with these shades. Then there's no fallouts. It's just so interesting. There's no fallouts. Then for today, we're gonna be doing a halo cut crease. I'll use Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade caramel to cut the crease. Then I'm gonna use a flat brush. This whole time I wasn't breathing, literally. When you're doing a cut crease, for me, I usually don't breathe, like, for real. Then we'll take the shade Righteous. It's a nice shimmery glittery shade, and I'm gonna be packing it at the halo cut crease part. Then I'll go back with this the initial shade that I applied, and I'm gonna blend out the edges of the halo cut crease using the purple shade that I had used first. Always remember this step to make sure your cut crease does not look like really sharp and all that. Not really sharp. The edges should be smooth and all that, well blended out. Then I'm gonna take Huda Cosmetics eyeliner. I'll use it to create my wing liner.
Then we'll take the shade Dignified. Yeah, it's a shade Dignified. I'm gonna use it to, I'm gonna apply it at the lower line, at the lower eyelid, I mean. Then we go to the shade Sunshine, and I'll use it at the inner corner of my eyes. It's a really pigmented yellow shade. It's shimmery and really pretty. Then it's time for highlight. I'll be using that Usha's highlighter. Using this fan brush, I'm going to be applying it on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Then same for lipstick, we're going to be using Huda Cosmetics lipstick in the shade, what shade was that? I'm going to write the name at the description box.
So this is the final look, and I'm so in love with this palette. Like honestly, it has 35 colors, 35 different shades, and that's a lot for the price that I got it for. I bought it for 2,000 shillings. There's an offer ongoing. I don't know if it's over yet, but it was 2,000 shillings for 35 colors. It's worth it. And they are super pigmented. They are so pigmented. There's no fallout. Like there was literally no fallout. No fallout. I did my foundation before the eyes, and yo, do you see any fallout on me? No. Yeah, so I love this palette, like for real, for real. I'm gonna be using this palette a lot. So that's it for today's videos, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Yeah, let me see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye bye.